Welcome to another video, y'all. Today, I want to discuss. Now, this is not a hate video. Let me start off by saying that. But I want to discuss some errors, some criticisms that I have with the fellow by the name of Vegan Cyclist. Now, look, bro, like I said, I don't have no hate for you or nothing. But after watching a couple of your videos, man, I just feel like you're misleading people a little bit. Let me start first with the chia seeds. Now, I loved your smoothie, man. It was great. You know what a vegan cyclist eats in the morning? Yeah, bananas, spinach, broccoli, pomegranate juice. So yeah, so I think you threw a strawberry in there too. A couple pitted dates, delicious. But then you dump a whole bunch of chia seeds and you make the statement that I think that if you're a vegan that or a vegan cyclist, that you should eat tons of chia seeds. I have to disagree with you. How about I mean, obviously, you was getting the carbs in, which is great. We all need carbs. We know we need carbs. You said carb up. We do need carbs. But the chia seeds, to me, to dump all those in there like that seems a little excessive. You don't need the chia seeds. You just need the carbs, man. You just need the carbs. The next issue is I seen your blood test results. You know, that's personal information there and all that. Appreciate you sharing that with us. However, you talk about how you fasted and you're into intermittent fasting. So let me ask you this. To the noob out there who's watching your videos, if they only watch one of your videos and they see that you're talking about fasting, let me ask you this. Will they get performance gains from fasting? When they get on a bike and they go out there and they try to ride, I don't know, an epic ride, let's say 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 500 kilometers, whatever they're trying to do. You think they'll be able to go somewhere having eaten 0 calories, the noob cyclists out there? Come on, man. It's just misleading, bro. It's very misleading. So, like I said, it's not a hit video, but you just got to look at it in the perspective of the person that's new to your channel, looking at it and say, you know what, how are they going to perceive this message that I'm giving to them, you know? And so, yeah, man, it's just not good. One, because it messes up your thyroid function, messes up your metabolism. So, I mean, fasting is just not good, period, for one, any elite level athletes, two, anybody, period, who's trying to lose weight and keep it off, because intermittent fasting, all those is cause you to binge out and your body to crave fats and all those, the wrong type of foods that you want to eat. So, and what fasting leads me to believe is that people who fast tend to not adhere to a diet that they're proclaiming, because of the fact that if they are, they won't need to. You know what I'm saying? Fasting is like for people that are like, you know, now I'm all about, I mean, you know, religious fasting, if that's your thing, you know. You're a monk or, you know, you practice Catholicism or Christian beliefs and you want to fast for God. I'm all about that. However, to attain optimal physical performance and results, fasting is not the way to go. Next, caffeine. Your little interview with this girl, I don't know who she is, speaking about how that caffeine, I'm still thinking about the fast and mine's just blowed from it, that caffeine will give you a performance boost. Now, y'all talk about these studies of, oh, there was a placebo, there was a coffee study, there was a decaffeinated, there was a decaffeinated with caffeine added back into it, and then there was a pill, pure caffeine pill, and it was only the pure caffeine pill that actually caused performance gains. Had to be between, I think you said somewhere like 2 milligrams per kilo of body weight of caffeine to actually have performance gains, based upon a study where people run at 75% of VO2 max until they could quit, and how much gains they got. Let me ask you this. Are you taking into consideration your thyroid function? Are you taking into consideration your adrenal functions, how you're making up your adrenal glands and your thyroid? So any gains that you perceive will all be short term, but your fitness will level out, it'll plateau, and then eventually it will start to decline, because your adrenal glands are going to be shot and your thyroid glands are going to be shot, and that's not going to increase your performance. So just a couple criticisms I have, man, but you know, I like how you're out there promoting veganism, racing, But man, if I could say a couple things, get off the caffeine and quit fasting and carb up, bro. All right, y'all.